ergonomics, economics. The reason why I say that is because the customer says, "Oh my God, I spent $600 making that old hood straight again." I'm on the final block. I'll prime it one more time. It's looking pretty good. It probably had maybe 50 pretty large hail dents in it. And it's an aluminum hood, so there's no structure. You have to be patient to get it to resurface. But when you're spending $560 just to paint this part, and the color alone is going to be another $320, yeah, once you get started, you have to take it all the way.